welcome back to part 2 of the loops and conditionals tutorial. Today we are going to be focused on the conditional side of things. We use conditionals in code when we're lazy and we don't want to make decisions, because that's what a condition does. It makes a decision for you. It makes it so you don't have to think or do anything with the information. It'll just automatically register it for you in a correct category, whatever it is you assign. So for our conditional example, let's practice using the if, else if, and else statement. So say you're a teacher and you're going to put in all your grades from your exam. And you don't want to have to go through everything and write, oh, little Johnny got an A and little Timmy got a 60. I'm not sure if that's a C or a D. Well, this will do it for you. So first we're going to state a variable. Score is going to equal something. Now below, we're going to go if score is less than 90, or sorry, greater than 90, we want it to print, oh, I realize I forgot a colon there. That always messes me up. We want it to print A, so the grade. So if it's above a 90, you got an A. Let's use now the else if statement. So it's another option within the same condition, but it still follows under the same thing. So it's another option that is also good in the code. So we're going to type elif, so E-L-I-F, score, and we'll do, let's say if it's better than 80, we are going to do, we want this to print B. And now else is a statement we use when something is else. So like what, anything else, any other input, we want it to print C, let's just say, or D or F, it can be anything. So we'll do print C. There we go. So now if I try to run this code right now, it won't work because there's nothing here. But so you're going through grades and say my good buddy Brett got a 95 because he's so smart. But I'm not because I forgot my colon. Brett got an A. Andrew got an 81. What did he get? Well, he got a B. And my buddy Peach, well, he's not very smart. He actually failed. He got a 10%. So he gets a C. But obviously, you change it to give a corresponding grade. So that is a basic if, elif, and else code. So now we're going to do one more example where we're going to combine loops and conditions. So let's say we want to create a list of numbers and we want the computer to tell us if the number is odd or even. So we can start by start with a for loop, which we learned in the last tutorial. So for number in range, let's just do 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Oh, well, 1 to 10. So we're actually going to do 11 because we want it to include 10. We want it to go if number in, let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So it's going to check if it's an even or odd number. So if that happens, we want it to print the number space. Oh, messed up my quotations. Let's try that again. The number blank. So we're going to insert the number. The number blank is even. And if it's anything else, we want it to print the number plus number is odd. So now when I hit run, this should show all the numbers from 1 to 10, and it should say whether they're even or odd. Oh, I messed something up here. I didn't attach my string because we assigned a variable up here. Now we want to call the variable, and this is a string variable. There we go. So there you go. The number 1 is odd, the number 2 is even, so and so and so, and we can go all the way up to 1,000,000 if we wanted to, because the code is going to keep running. And as you can see, I forgot a space there, so we'll click it here. All the spaces move over, and it's nice and clean. So that is a quick little grade calculator and a number checker to see if it's even or odd, just by using basic if, else if statements with loops and for loops and while loops. So that's everything for today. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.